Yes, today while on patrolling, our intelligence staff received information that one accused, means one habitual offender who is involved in many theft cases previously, by name Michael Martins, age about 28, is moving in Vasco area. So they started to collect the intelligence, and when they reached near the Tanya Hotel, uh, they found the said Martins is standing there. So when they called him, by seeing the staff, he started to run. So after that, our intelligence staff followed him and detained him. And when he was asked about his presence in that area, he failed to give the satisfactory answers. Further, he was brought at the police station for the interrogation, as there is a presently one house burglary is reported in Vasco area in Ekta Nagar, wherein gold ornaments worth rupees 6 lakh is stolen from the one house, and other 3 to 4 houses were damaged. The lock was damaged and effected entry into the house. So now we have arrested the said accused, Michael Martins, in our crime, which we had registered, and our further investigation is in progress. It came to also notice that he is involved in many theft cases in Marmugao area. So, if required, other police stations will also take him, and we will also interrogate him in other crimes also.
Section म्हणजे घातलं सर.
In that, we have registered a crime under section 454 380 IPC.
सध्या इंटरोगेशन चालू आहे की करून आहे?
Yes, it is going on.
ह्याच्या पहिले काय अरेस्ट केलं?
Yes, he is involved in many crimes. Before, previously he was arrested.